Hey folks, Matthew Weiss here, WeissAdvice.com and Weiss Advice here on YouTube. In this video, I want to show another use case for the Gullfoss EQ from Sound Theory. I showcased the primary use case, what I believe is the primary use case, yesterday in a video on mastering. In this video, I want to show how the Gullfoss EQ works on vocals. Now, yesterday's video was a paid sponsored video. Today's video is not. I'm doing this video because no other reason than I think it's a cool product and I want to show it. So this is an excerpt from a tutorial that I'm putting together for Produce Like a Pro, and it shows how I use the Gullfoss EQ on vocals. Let's check it out.
Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me. Take go inside your ecstasy. Yeah, you're bad for me, bad for me. Last night I fell in love with you.
Now let's transfer those settings over. And sometimes it's also when you have something like with a lot of moving resonances, there are certain types of moving EQs that sense everything dynamically. I've been really interested in this Gullfoss EQ. This has been recommended to me 1,000 times, and for whatever reason, I'm only getting it in the year of 2023 here. But basically, because there's a lot of like really rough stuff in the upper mids, I'm going to set my bounds here to like maybe 1.3K, 1.2K, maybe set my upper bound here to like around 6K, something like that. And then just like tame it down.
Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me. Take go inside your ecstasy. Yeah, you're bad for me, bad for me.
I really like how this is able to smooth things out without necessarily feeling like it's ripping holes in the sound, for lack of a better way of putting it. I've tried a lot of these different kind of intelligent EQs, and some of them, I'm not going to say which ones because I don't want to disparage companies. They are useful, but some of them get very easy to overuse and kind of feel like they're ripping the sound away. This is a pretty good way of doing things pretty transparently. So just a little bit of like smoothing from this EQ can be really nice on a vocal.
Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me.
It's like magic. Like it's, you know, it's not going to solve all the problems. It doesn't let you skip the actual mixing phase. Like it doesn't do the work for you, but it's a nice little icing on the cake just to kind of smooth it out.
Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me. Take away.
I think our vocal might be just a hair loud also. I'm going to just pull it down maybe about 1.5 dB just to kind of get a tighter sound going.
Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me. Take go inside your ecstasy.
One more hair down.
I thought you was the one for me. Take go inside your ecstasy. Last night I fell in love with you. I thought you was the one for me.
Alright, if you dig this video, hit that like button. If you want to catch more videos like this, hit subscribe with the bell notification so you get notified. And lastly, you know what we say here at Weiss Advice. We are musicians, sound is our instrument, and I will catch you next time.